Dear students, we discuss the cone to complete as early as possible the given topics so that I am using the online classes. I will discuss the cone, how it is useful and how it can be represented. Basically, as shown in the diagram, S be the set of points in this space. You can have some points. There exists a point V in that set, so that VP is subset of S. VP are nothing but Vs, both are a subset of S. Then S is called the cone, this entire surface is called cone, and V is the vertex of the cone. Here VP and Vs are nothing but slant length heights, they are called generators. A line perpendicular to from V is a line of symmetry. Here I will give the example. 2x square plus 3y square minus z square is equal to 0 represents a cone with vertex 0, that means origin. I will give some more types of the cones easily by giving the examples. 2x cube minus y cube plus 3x square z plus 2z cube is equal to 0 is a cone of degree 3, that is third degree cone. Basically, cone is a second degree equation. So you may have x square, y square, z square, xy, yz, zx, like that combination. So basically it is a second degree equation. X square plus y square minus z square is equal to 0 is a cone of degree 2. As given in the example, it is clear that whenever the degree is 2, that cone is called quadratic cone. Simply we can call it. Discuss about the quadratic cones. I will give the original formula to represent a cone is ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy is equal to 0. This represents a cone with vertex origin, that means 0, 0, 0. I will give very clear points. You can take delta is equal to abc minus plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square, that is equal to determinant of ahg hbf gfc. If delta is equal to 0, suppose this is 0, what will happen? The above cone has pair of planes. The above cone has pair of planes, so automatically that is called degenerated cone. That is simply called degenerate cone actually. If delta is not equal to 0, then automatically you will get a quadratic cone or simply non-degenerate cone. So that quadratic cone we are considering and discussing elaborately. Suppose vertex is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, then automatically the general form of the cone is something but a into x minus alpha whole square plus b into y minus beta whole square plus c into z minus gamma whole square plus 2f into y minus beta z minus gamma plus 2g into z minus gamma into x minus alpha plus 2h into x minus alpha into y minus beta is equal to 0. Suppose